Hello everyone, welcome back to Recruitment Update channel. I hope you all are doing great and learning well. So guys, in our previous videos, we learned what is SQL, what is database and different types of databases. And now it's finally time to move towards practical learning because understanding concept is important, but the real learning starts when we actually practice and work on things ourselves. So in today's video, we will install SQL Server step by step and set up our environment for SQL practice. Don't worry if you are a complete beginner because I'll explain everything from scratch and you can simply follow along with me. By the end of this video, SQL Server and SSMS will be installed on your system and you will be ready to start your SQL learning journey. So let's start without any delay. You can open browser, write SQL Server download, click on Microsoft SQL Server downloads. There a page will open where you can scroll a bit down here and then you can find there are two options, 2025 developer and 2025 express. We'll go with the developer one, and in that we'll go with the enterprise edition. So we'll right click on enterprise, click open link in new tab, and I have chosen the location on my desktop. You can take any of your location. Then a file is downloaded, so we'll click on it to open the file. So here you will see three options: basic, custom and download media. We'll select the basic option. After clicking on basic, accept the license terms and condition. Then you will see the installation location. If you would like to change it, click on browse and choose different folder. Otherwise, you can simply proceed with the default location. Now, after clicking on install, the download will start. Since the installation files are quite large, the download may take few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, a dialog box will appear. Here, click on Install SSMS. This will redirect you to the SQL Server Management Studio download page. Scroll down, you will find Download SQL Server Management Studio 2022 and then click on it. The installer file will start downloading. After download is complete, open the file and click on Continue. The installation wizard will launch. After that, you need to select all the components, and after selecting all the components, click on Install. The setup process will now begin, and this may take few minutes. Then the SMS will be installed on your system. Once the installation is completed, click on OK. After that, select Launch. Then you will see an option to create or sign into your account, but for now, we'll skip this step. Next, we need to connect to our SQL Server instance, and for that, we'll need our system name. There are two ways for it. First method is search for system information in the Windows search bar and look for system name. Second method is to open command prompt, type hostname and press enter. The system name will display on the screen. Copy the system name and paste it onto the server name field in SSMS. Then click the trust certificate option and click connect. So now we have successfully connected to SQL Server Management Studio. To start writing the queries, simply click on new query and you are ready to go. As a final verification step, you can close SSMS and search for SSMS in the Windows search bar and launch it again. And launch it. If it opens successfully, your installation has been completed correctly. So guys, this is all about how to install SQL Server and SSMS. I hope you have successfully installed everything on your system. And one request, please keep SQL Server and SSMS ready because from next video onwards, we are going to start our actual SQL journey. In the next video, we'll learn how to connect to SQL Server, how to connect to first database, how to create tables, and gradually start writing SQL queries step by step. So make sure you don't miss the next video. That's all. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and comment.
And if you have any questions or face any issues during the installation, please let us know in the comment section below. You can also connect with us through our Telegram channel and Instagram page. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.